Hey, what's up? Sami here.
And Sami Midari.
So today we are going to review the Xiaomi 13 series, right? The 13 Pro, 13. We're going to unbox, especially the camera test, right? AnTuTu, speaker test, everything.
Sound, everything. And don't forget, today we also have another test. We will compare the Xiaomi 13 Pro with iPhone 14 Pro to see if the camera is really good or not.
Exactly. So please subscribe to Sami and my channel. Ah, yeah, my legs hurt. Okay. Let's go.
Let's go.
So this is 13. As you can see, the box is smaller, right? And this is the packaging. Xiaomi 13 Pro, co-engined with lacquer, a pen, paperwork, a phone case. And then we have the 67 watts charger and Type-C cable, and that's it. Here are the colors of the Xiaomi 13 standard version. We have a leather version here. This is the blue, that's kind of, that's kind of blue. Also the white. They have a black as well. I will show you that later. Compared to the 13 Pro, it's the standard version is like all glass, okay, not a ceramic. So I feel, definitely not as good as the 13 Pro. Speaking of 13 Pro, let's just give it a quick unboxing as well, right? Let's give it a quick unboxing. Usual stuff, nothing new. As I said yesterday, it comes with a 120 watts fast charging Type-C cable. These are the colors for the 13 Pro. Basically the same, right? We have white, this blue, and this leather version. They also have the black. All right, so this is the black version of the 13 and the 13 Pro. The left is 13, the right is 13 Pro. This is glass, and this is ceramic. I can definitely feel the difference. More smooth on the ceramic side. And this is the back. Let's check it out. Seems this glass are prone to got the fingerprints or smudges, but you are going to wear a case anyway, right? Yeah, the same for the for the ceramic version. Wow, the 13 feels so compact. Just hold with one hand without any problems. While the 13 Pro gives you a more rounded, curved feel, which I personally favor the 13, to be honest. But anyway, let's check out the design first. All right. So on the top, they come with the infrared blaster, which is really good. Move to this side, nothing here. Type-C, SIM card, and the speaker. We'll test the speaker later. So about the SIM card tray, the 13 Pro, dual card, dual standby. No SD expansion support. The same for the 13. Okay, that's it. That's pretty standard for smartphones nowadays, right? All right, moving to the right side, we have the volume rocker and the power button. This seems like the 13 features this kind of side finger unlock, but both phones come with that in-display fingerprint unlock. Okay, both to the highest brightness level. What Xiaomi has touted so much is their bezels. It claims it has the same bezels with the same width. So let's check it out. I think 13 has a better bezel, Looks narrower, but maybe because of this curved display on the 13 Pro looks less stunning, to be honest. All right, that's basically the design of the 13 series. I will just put all the specs on the screen because in this video I'm not gonna read those specs one by one, right? Let's jump to something rare. First, let's do the speaker test. Okay, that's the sound test for the 13 Pro. It looks, the girls looks really beautiful. I mean, yeah, the sound is very clear, crystal clear. I mean, even in this very noisy outdoor environment, indoor environment. All right, now let's test a little bit about the 13, shall we? Okay, that's the 13. Which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comments. We now run AnTuTu. Now they are running AnTuTu benchmark, and this is the 13. Just check out the bezel viewing experience. One of the highlights is both phones. They support up to 1,900 nits. That's the brightest screen I've ever seen, right? And here is the 13 Pro. Okay, accept. As you can see, like Mirror 13, Mirror 14 has added so those privacy related choices. Before when you run AnTuTu, it never asks you to accept this and that. And this is the 13 Pro. Just check out the screen. Right, that's the score for the Xiaomi 13. Almost 1 million, right? GPU, MEM, UX. All right. 41.1 degrees Celsius. That's the highest temperature during the whole process. Feels all right. Not unbearable hot. Okay, now, okay. You see, this is for the 13 Pro. It's slightly like lower than the Xiaomi 13, but it seems like it has better control on the thermal. You see the high temperature like 40.6 degrees Celsius. So these are the score for the two phones. You can check them out. I'm not sure if this is like a prototype or something. I've seen the AnTuTu got much higher in those in other units, in other test unit. All right. Anyway, that's it. That's the AnTuTu. .1080 60 FPS for both phones. Oh, they opened a new Oppo store here. Let me know if it's like the stable or something. All right, I'm gonna run a little bit. Okay, now 4K 60. 4K 60. Whoa! I think it's like better than the 1080p 60 FPS. It's like it looks so stable. So stable, really. So stable. Super stable. that's the video. That's a first look of the Xiaomi 13 Pro and the standard version. And yeah, it's still in its early stages, so those tests are just based on the firmware they have now. I'm sure they will have better, once they release efficiently or in the future. Thanks for watching. I'm Sami. See you in the next one. Bye bye.